Hi, I'm Ammar. I'm currently an apprentice in FDM's degree program. I'm a first-line IT support engineer addressing technical issues in FDM's dynamic IT support team. This includes anything from troubleshooting hardware to software-related issues. Over the last 2 years, I've acquired multiple skills such as customer service, problem solving, time management, adaptability, and networking. Joining FDM's apprenticeship program has accelerated my professional skills and development. Balancing both my university work along with my day-to-day job has been quite a challenge. After school, I was contemplating joining full-time education. The costs of these were overwhelming. I came across the apprenticeship program that FDM was offering, which gave me the chance to reduce these costs and also gain industry experience at the same time. As someone who learns best from practical experience, this apprenticeship with FDM is perfect for me. I believe I position myself strongly in my career compared to a traditional university route. I'm genuinely excited about my journey ahead.